Hey, welcome to the video. Today we're going to install the American flag decal on the side of a Dodge Charger. First, we're going to take the decal and choose the correct side, make sure that's the one you want to install. Second, clean the surface that we're going to put it on, taking extra care to flush out the edges to make sure we don't have any dust fall in behind the decal. Next, we're actually going to remove the backing paper, and we're going to do that by squeegeeing the decal down, flipping it upside down, and then removing the backing paper at a sharp angle. Next, we're going to start the very easy application process. This decal is perfectly cut to shape, so we're just going to liberally apply fluid, stick it right in place, and start squeegeeing from the center out to each side. Alright, now all we have left to do is to remove the transfer paper. So we're going to do that by softening it. See, I just sprayed it with water. You can spray it with the water soap solution. I'm just going to dry off the rest of the car to give that a little bit of time to soften before I start to remove it at a sharp angle. If the decal is not wanting to stick to the glass at this point, just give it a little bit more time. Oh, you can see the bottom came up. All I have to do is squeegee it back down and actually start removing the transfer from the different direction. All there is left to do is to dry the decal off using a patting motion, and you are done. Enjoy your new American flag decal, and for other decals and tint products, check out our website luxautoconcepts.net.